Alright, so I'm back with the zx12 restoration upgrade. Alright, so here's the bike is. Finally got all the parts in. Put everything on. Tell me what you guys think. So the first thing I did was, let me go back over here. In order to get it started, you guys could see right there it had a hole. So when I took the tank off, got the rust out, and put gas in there, it was leaking, so I had to get that rusted. I had to go get that welded. So that, after that and the gas was in, I was able to get it started. What else I did was, see, the front fender is black and it's also smaller. If you know the 0001 fender that comes on it, it's much bigger. It probably comes down to like here. It looks disgusting. So I like that fender because it gets rid of some of the red, and it's smaller, so kill two birds with one stone. The other thing I did too was, I don't know if you guys see like the checkered stripe going through the middle up through the tank. Put that on. Just thought the bike had too much red and it was just all alone in that area, so it needed something else in there to pep it up. Next thing I did was, I made a video on this too. I cut the exhaust in half. The exhaust came out to about right here, but I cut it to small, so it looks way better. And as you can see, the black rim on the front. I also, when I took the tank off, I checked the air filter and it was falling apart, so I replaced it with an air filter. So this is what we got here. So let me know what you guys think. I'm probably gonna cut this video here and turn it on so you guys could hear what it sounds like. Alright, so I'm back. So tell me what you guys think with the black rims. I think it looked much better, and I forgot to let you guys know I also painted the swing arm black, as you guys could see. Bike looks much better. It was just too much red. And then I don't know why they had the frame black, but then they had this swing arm silver. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is turn it on, let you guys get a sample of what it sounds like. Whoops. Still not too loud, but it sounds good. Alright, that's gonna conclude the video. Tell me what you guys think. It looks much better. I'm still trying to decide if I want to keep it, but I don't really even know if I want two bikes, and definitely don't want no carry. I guess that's why I was trying to fix it up, to see, you know, if it would grow on me, but I'm not sure still, but I'm more leaning towards selling it. So alright, thanks for watching. Peace.